Okay, so today we are talking about coins round 2. First off, we're going to start talking about how to make an amount when you're given a number. So before we learned how to count coins and how to add them together, and now we're going to talk about making an amount when you're given a number. So if I were to give you the number 56 cents, what coins would I use to make this? Now, obviously, there are several options. We could count out one by one and use 56 pennies, but an easier way to do that is I could use 5 dimes, so I'll count them by tens, like we know how we're supposed to count dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that gives me my 50 cents. And then I could add 6 pennies, so 6 ones. So I have 50, and I would count 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So that's a way I could make 56 cents. Now, I want you to think, and you can pause the video if you need some time or need a way to work. I want you to think of a way you can make 42 cents. Now, again, there are several ways. There is not a wrong answer, as long as you still end up with 42. And then we will go through one way we can make 42 cents. So obviously I stated before you can always count by ones and have 42 pennies, but another way you could make it is you could have 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. So let's count this the way we know how to count. We always start with the biggest coin. So I have 10, 20, 30 cents, and then nickels were worth 5, so I have 35, 40, and then my pennies that are only worth 1, so I have 41, 42 cents. So obviously there's a lot more ways you can make this, and as long as you end up with 42 cents, it counts. But these are just a couple of ways you can make these.